Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be making one-piece Air Force Ones. If you're enjoying this content and love sneakers, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button down below, turn on notifications, and let's get right to it. So this is where we're at. All I got to do is connect the back and it's pretty much a whole shoe. But as you see, it's an Air Force One without any panels. All you got are the laces. I'm going to put the back tab right here as well as the top back tab. Gonna put the leather on the inside for the lining, but that's pretty much gonna be it for the panels. So I think it's gonna be super clean, super simple design, yet it's, you know, really cool looking. So one piece, I got gray suede, I just got white leather, I got black python that is backed with white leather. I got a little cutout right here. This is what I'm working with so far. As you can see, I got just really soft black leather on the inside. For the liner where the foot's gonna touch, I'm gonna be using like dark gray, light gray lambskin. I got the back tab right here, haven't cut that out yet. And for the back tab, I guess the upper back tab, I'm using a white on top of black leather. Super simple, you know, the push and pull with the black and white. So that's what I'm doing with this. As well as I have lambskin that's going to be dark gray. That's going to be on the inside liner that touches a sock. It's going to be super buttery, super soft. I'm super excited to use that material. It's one of my favorite ones. Don't forget to lube up your machine. I always get a lot of questions about where do I get my soles from. Can I buy some soles off the internet of them just being the bare soles without any upper shoe or anything like that? No, you can't. You gotta buy shoes, take the soles off the shoes and use them. That's what I've always done. I get all my soles from Nike.com. I buy all my shoes from there. That's where I use my soles. You just gotta take the soles off these bad boys and that's how you're gonna use them. There's no way around it, unfortunately. So we are now here. We got the liner on as well as everything is stitched on, ready to go. It's all pretty much done. All I gotta do is put my padding on the inside, throw that in, pull the liner over, stitch it down. We're all done, off to lasting. So I'm gonna put all the insulation, all the padding on the inside. We're gonna last it up and get these bad boys ready. So this is what the tab looks like right now. I did the one stitch, double stitch, single stitch around. As you can see, the backing is white. So I think what I'm gonna be doing is cutting out a white liner for the edge on this. I'm gonna stitch it around, give it a nice little touch as well as, you know, just up the quality to it. We're pretty much right here with it so far. It's pretty much all finished. As you can see, stitched the little logo around, so that's sturdy. We stitched the back tab on there as well as the back top tab. we have this really nice soft lambskin on the inside. It's super buttery. It's my favorite liner that I use just because of how soft it is. It's the most softest material I've ever felt, especially for like thick material that could be for shoes. So from here, you know, this is what it looks like. We also got the double stitch on the top, the single stitch on the bottom. We got the single stitch right here. I'll have to re-stitch that again. So then the tongue is stitched on the inside just like that. So we don't want this to fall off. That's not what we want to do. But as of the tongue, we got the back liner. It's still very soft, as well as the gray suede. I love the gray suede. Suede is probably my new favorite material. It's really up there with Python. It might even take over Python now, so I might have to do an all suede shoe in the future. Definitely going to be doing that. But as of for now, I'm going to be cutting out the liner for the edge. I'm going to do white stitching on the front as well as the back. As I said, it's going to be a white liner, so you know it's flush. It doesn't look different, so that's what I'm going to do with that. Stitch it on there, and pretty much we'll be ready for lasting. Put the sole right on, and after that, boom, you got a shoe. But also comment down, let me know what laces I should do. So as you can see, I got the gray outside that's going to be showing on the outside, obviously. So if that's sitting right there, are we going to go with white laces, or are we going to go with like a dark gray lace? I don't know. I like the white laces, but also I kind of like the look how the laces can blend in with the tongue, so it's gray on gray with this white right here. I'm not too sure, let me know. But for right now, let's get to cutting and get to stitching. And just like that, the Air Force Ones 1 pieces are all finished. They came out super clean. They're all lasted up. All that they need is a white sole and they will be finished. But I mean, this is what they look like for right now. I'm super happy with how they turned out. I really like the gray suede with the white leather. I might just keep the white laces on it because I really like the white laces. But I mean, this is what it looks like. It's the first one that I've ever done where it's just all 1 piece of leather, so I think that's super cool, and I'm super excited to see how it comes out and you know if it keeps its structure or not. But I mean, for the most part, it came out super clean. Everything's where it's supposed to be, and now I just need a sole. Thanks for checking out this video. The next one's gonna be me putting on the sole, finishing up the shoe, so make sure to stay tuned for the next one. Turn on notifications. Thanks for checking out this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, check out my other videos. Go cop some merch down in the bio. See you later.